the therapist turned and he said to him, "Look, do you want to be right or happy?" And I said, "Why didn't you ask me that in the beginning?" And he said, "Because then you would have never come back." And he was right. I was not. So it's right or happy. I was sitting up on an old bar stool when some old man from some old school sat next to me, and he ordered up a round. And he said, "It ain't my business none. I couldn't help but notice, son, did you lose both your best friend and your hound dog?" And I said, "No, they both still hanging around. It's that woman that's got me down, you know. She just can't admit it when she's wrong." Well, he leaned back and he tipped his hat and he kind of grinned and he said, "Oh, that," and he started in singing this here song. Do you want to be right or you want to be happy? You get to pick, it's up to you, but you gotta pick one, there is no two. You can go around grinning or go around feeling crappy. Do you want to be right or you want to be happy? Well, it wasn't too long after that, me and her was going at it like a dog and a cat about something now I can't even recall. But nevertheless, we was a-fighting, we was arguing about who was wrong or right, and I thought, shucks, I ain't having no fun at all. And to tell the truth, it was getting old with nothing but my ground to hold, cold and lonely piece of real estate. That's when that song popped in my head, and I remembered what that old man had said, and immediately it began to reverberate. Do you want to be right or you want to be happy? You get to pick, it's up to you, but you gotta pick one, you can't pick two. You can go around grinning or go around feeling crappy. Do you want to be right or you want to be happy, Johnny? I said to myself, I said, I ain't like sleeping in an empty bed. And myself said, I don't care much for it, none. I made up my mind right then and there that she could be right. Heck, I didn't care. And that's when we started having all kinds of fun. Do you want to be right or you want to be happy? You get to pick, it's up to you, but you gotta pick one, there is no two. You can go around grinning or go around feeling crappy. Do you want to be right or you want to be happy? You know, you guys can sing along with that. You know, half of you have heard the song before. Well, that was 40 some odd years ago, and I don't know much. One thing I do know is I'm about happy as one old boy can be. And I hate to see young men suffer, so before things get to be too much rougher, why don't you fellas try singing along with me? Do you want to be right or you want to be happy? You get to pick, it's up to you, but you gotta pick one, there ain't no two. You can go around grinning or go around feeling crappy. Do you want to be right or you want to be happy? Well, that almost never happens when people actually sing along. Now I don't know what to do. Let's just see the ladies, how about that? Hey ladies, do you want to be right or you want to be happy? You got to, it's up to you, but you gotta pick one, there ain't no two. You can go around grinning or go around feeling crappy. Well, you got that part. Do you want to be right? Wow. Or do you want to be